Hi, today I will explain how to ask a question to one of our pharmacists on the platform. First, you can type Ask Your Pharmacist in the search engine from your computer and you will arrive on the page you see right here. At this point, you can write directly your question in the box or go to the top left corner and click Search for an answer. You will be able to search an answer by keywords and see if a similar question has already been asked in the past and to see our pharmacist's response. When you click on one of them, you will see the number of likes that it has, the number of views, and also the amount of time that it took the pharmacist to answer the question. If you did not find an appropriate answer to your condition, or that you just need more details about your situation, you can go in the upper right corner and click Ask a Question. It is important to formulate a proper question in the first text box in order to avoid any ambiguity. All the information that you believe are relevant to the evaluation of your condition should be entered in the second box. When it's done, click on Next. If you are a new user, we will then ask you to register. The steps are simple. You must enter your first name, your name, tell your sex at birth and your date of birth, as well as your zip code. The zip code is important since your question will be sent to the 5 pharmacies closest to your location. This will make sure that you can keep in touch with one of our pharmacists if needed. Then, type in your email. Once our pharmacist answers your question, you will receive a notification and link to his response. Your password must start with a capital letter and must also contain a special character, such as an exclamation mark. Once everything is done, you can read the terms and conditions before accepting them. You will receive an email in order to complete your registration. And it's only after this last step that your question will be forwarded to one of our pharmacists. If you would like to modify your question, you can do so by clicking on Access Conversation. You will then be able to type in additional information that you deem important or that you might have forgotten when typing your question. Be aware. It is very important to check your box of unwanted or spam emails since your confirmation link could be there. Thanks for watching. I hope you will enjoy our platform.